Free Reserves Section 243. Key aspects of free reserves. 1. Accumulated profits. Free reserves typically include profits earned by the company over its operating history that have not been distributed as dividends or transferred to other reserves. Retained earnings. They represent the portion of net income retained by the company after paying dividends to shareholders and allocating funds to other reserves. 2 components. General reserves. Reserves created out of profits over and above the specific requirements and not designated for any particular purpose. Surplus arising from revaluation of assets. Any surplus arising from revaluation of assets, if transferred directly to reserves, can also contribute to free reserves. Other unappropriated profits. Profits accumulated over time that have not been allocated to specific reserves or purposes. 3. Purpose and use. Dividend distribution. Free reserves provide a source of funds that can be used to pay dividends to shareholders when declared by the company's board of directors. Capitalization. They can also be capitalized to issue bonus shares or increase the company's share capital without requiring additional external funding. Buffer for future investments. Serve as a financial buffer for future investments, business expansions, or to meet unexpected financial obligations. 4. Disclosure and reporting. Companies are required to disclose the composition and utilization of free reserves in their financial statements, including details of accumulated profits, general reserves, and other components contributing to the free reserves. Compliance with accounting standards and regulatory requirements ensures transparency in financial reporting and proper utilization of free reserves. Regulatory framework and compliance. 1. Companies Act, 2013. Although free reserves are not defined explicitly, their utilization, distribution, and accounting treatment are governed by provisions under the Companies Act, 2013, and applicable accounting standards, Indian Accounting Standards or Ind AS. 2. Accounting standards. Companies must adhere to prescribed accounting standards for recognition, measurement, and disclosure of reserves, ensuring consistency, transparency, and compliance with regulatory requirements. 3. Auditing and governance. Independent auditors verify the accuracy and compliance of financial statements, including the utilization of free reserves, providing assurance to stakeholders regarding the company's financial health and governance practices.